So today we're making a butterboard. This butterboard has been going super viral on Instagram. It got popularized by the creator Justine Snacks. And as a person who follows the keto diet, I of course had to try it because it's pretty much butter on a board. It's supposed to be like the new charcuterie board, but instead of meats and cheeses, it's gonna be pure butter. Though I've seen so many various versions of it already. So the one that I found really appealing was like a spicy sweet one. And of course, I'm gonna be using high quality butter. I'm using unsalted because I'm gonna be adding finishing salt at the end. I can't use the Walmart kind for this one just because, you know, I'm gonna be eating a lot of butter and I might as well go all out for it. So the first thing that we have to do, which I didn't know people were doing it, I had to read the instructions on the recipe to find out that a lot of people are creaming the butter first. It has to do a lot with making sure that it's like pretty much nice, soft, whipped throughout the whole thing, and also so it's easier to scrape, I'm guessing. So that's what we're gonna do first. We gotta cream our butter. Oh, you $6 butter. Look at you. You're so nice and golden. Of course you are. And now we cream. That looks pretty creamy. Wow, high quality butter. So next I have my butterboard. We're gonna actually assemble the butterboard. Everybody online has actually been applying the butter to the board, and I don't know, from what I've been reading, that makes it a lot harder to clean. The butter can seep into the wood, and then it could also like go rancid, and then it's like stuck in the wood. Anyways, who basically not have to deal with that problem, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use parchment paper, and I kind of crinkled it so it looks like it has texture. Oh shit. All right, and then we just basically start buttering our board. Everybody did like these nice little swoops where they're like, wow, wow. Mine is not that pretty. So like I had said, there's a number of combinations that you can actually do to the butter board. I saw a lot of people use cheese in it. I saw, you know, edible flowers. I think in almost all of the ones I've seen, they all use lemon zest. And we're gonna try that now. And for those who don't know, that the actual lemon flavor is in the zest itself, not the lemons. That looks good. I see a bunch of lemon zest on there, and now I have a ugly looking lemon. So step 1, lemon zest done. Step 2, the Trader Joe's chili oil. I've heard so many good things about this. I actually finally got to try it, and it is pretty good. So the Trader Joe's chili oil has olive oil, red garlic, and peppers. So that's why I didn't feel a need to add garlic to this because it's already in here. So now we're gonna just like drizzle it. All right, you know what? I'm not gonna put that much because it is pretty spicy and I'm not trying to burn my mouth. A lot of the recipes I saw used fresh herbs. I don't have an herb garden like that, so I'm gonna use a little bit of parsley that was about to wilt away in my fridge. Consider this my edible flowers. And then we're gonna add our flaky sea salt. Maldon salt is like the best finishing salt that you can get. So we're gonna give it a little Salt Bae action. I do want to add this keto honey that Chalk Zero just came out with, just so that I can see if it like kind of tastes good with being like sweet and salty and buttery. If you guys want to buy it, you can use my affiliate code that I linked in the description below. This just came out, so I haven't even used it. I don't even know if it tastes like honey. Yes. And before I forget, I am gonna put some shallots. I do want to add some kind of crispiness to all this, so I might be going overboard, but oh well. Dun, dun, dun. This is gonna be my version of the butterboard trend that's going on right now. I am gonna be scooping it up with.
This is what I wanted, and this is what I got.
This was my failed attempt at trying to make keto toast. I used Maria Emmerich's keto roll recipe to make these, and I don't know if it's because I didn't cook it long enough or I didn't cut the slices thin enough, but they don't seem very toasty. But anyways, I'm gonna just use this as a vehicle to get the butter into my mouth. Now let's try my creation. Let's see how it turned out. There we go. I really like the honey. It could use more salt in my opinion, but it's not bad. It's pretty good. It's probably like 1,000 calories. Will I be making this again? I mean, probably not, but it does taste good. I really do wonder if everybody who's been recreating this trend, if they're actually eating the whole butterboard. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna store this. Like, it's nice and everything, but like, how do you put it away? Or do you eat it all in one sitting? Anyways, I'm gonna have my sister try it out and see what she thinks.
That's a lot of butter.
I know. Look,
Jesus.
listen, you didn't eat all day.
Can I do like half of that?
Well, just have a bite. You don't have to actually finish if you don't like it. But it was pretty good.
Cheers.
What do you think of the honey? The honey actually tastes like honey.
The honey's pretty good. Definitely needs more salt.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
The fried shallots are pretty good. A little bit more parsley. I think all the ingredients are there. I just want more.
Yeah. So yeah, that's it. That's my take on the viral trend butterboard. Let me know what you think. Have you tried this? Will you try it? Do you think this is going to be the next charcuterie board? Let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!